It's hot out there, baby. It's your Forex account hot. I know if you're trading a London session, baby. I know if you're getting up early in the morning and you're getting in with that London session, your account is on fire, baby. Especially if you got the tools to succeed. Now, what tools do you need to succeed the London Forex session? Alright, first of all, forget about all the indicators, forget about all the price actions, forget about what's the best broker, what's the best pair to use. Forget about all that shit for a minute, and I want to talk about your mindset, your trading mindset, man. What's the mindset of a successful Forex trader? Now, Forex is different from stocks. It's way different from crypto. Crypto moves ridiculous, right? Excuse me. Right? Listen, you got to have a whole completely different mindset, different game plan when you're stepping in there, man. So look, first of all, man, forget about your game plan. So your game plan don't mean nothing, right? So what you got to do is this. You got to have a mindset where it don't matter. Don't get happy when you win, right? When you win a trade, and don't get upset when you lose a trade. Fuck it. Listen, it ain't going to be your last trade. Okay, I promise you, it ain't going to be your last trade. Even if you blow your account and you quit the business, you be like, fuck Forex, I ain't doing it. It's a scam. I can't win. You'll be trading again. I promise you, you'll be back in this business. Why? Because Forex, you ain't got no boss. You ain't got nobody breathing down your neck. It's just you in the charts, right? Just you in the charts. You versus, this is really you against the world. It's you versus all these other traders that's out there. Now, unless you're an institutional trader, you don't got no boss. You ain't got nobody telling you what to do, what pairs to look at, what trades to take, how much money to put down. You ain't got nobody breathing down your neck, nobody telling you what to do, how much to risk, how much to lose. You're doing too much, you're doing too little. You ain't got no trading. Is just you in the charts, you versus the world, right? So how do we deal with this thing? How do we get money out of Forex, man? How do we get money and especially the London session, the hot London session? Now, the London session ain't no joke, man. I haven't figured out why the London session is hotter than all the other sessions. I mean, it's all money, but the London session is very volatile, man. It's very swift, fast, right? You got to be on your toes, right? But the London session, listen, it requires you to have a strong mindset, right? Listen, and when you're trading the London session, you need to be quiet, you need peace, you need calm, right? You don't need a whole bunch of distractions. If you want some music, man, play some music, man. Put on your favorite music. But you don't want no kids around during the London session, you understand? If your wife ain't trading with you, you don't want your wife around talking about a bunch of dumb shit, right? If your boyfriend around, you don't want your boyfriend talking about, hey, honey, what's up? You don't want him trying to smell you. You understand me? Listen, you don't want no distractions except for your trading partners, right? If y'all ain't talking about trading Forex, you got to get up out the room. You got to go find something to do. All right, you don't want to be on the phone. Shouldn't be on the phone anyway, man. Who's awake at 4:30 in the morning, right? You don't want no videos playing, right? You don't want none of that. You want to be focused, okay? Focused, right? Get a brand new account. You can make as many Forex accounts as you want. Fund that account, okay? This is your account. This is what you're going to do today, right? You want to have a London session account, okay? You don't want to be doing swing trades. You don't want to be doing nothing. You don't want to be doing crypto. You understand? You don't want to be doing day trades. You don't want to use no other tools, okay, except for the London session, right? You don't want no other tools. Now, I'm gonna tell you, use with whatever indicator you want to use, right? Don't let nobody tell you that you gotta use the MACD, you gotta use the RSI, you gotta use the Bollinger Bands, right? You gotta use the money flow system, you gotta use this, you gotta use that, you gotta use statistics, right? You gotta use the moving average. You just gotta use price action, man. Make it naked charts. We trade naked. man, dude, whatever you feel comfortable with, man. I'm just saying you gotta have that right mindset. You gotta have that strong killer instinct, non-emotional. You can't get emotional about this game, man. All right? You cannot get emotional when you're trading the London session. Do you understand what I'm talking about? You can't. If you get emotional while you're trading the London session, you will lose. Okay? Now the London session, you can bang it out in the morning, catch about 100 pips, get up out of there. Right? You have to collect 50 to 100 pips during the London session. You understand? 50 to 100. I would aim for 100, see if you can get a deuce out of there. Now, do some trend trading. Blah, blah. Say that again. Do some twin trading. Twin trading. Do some twin trading in the London session. Now, what does that mean? So you see a signal, right? Boom. Or you see an entry, right? You see it. Everything lined up for you. It looks beautiful. All your indicators are there. Everything is there. You're ready to hit the button. Bow. You open your MetaTrader before you press the buy button or the sell button, whatever you want to does to it. You hit the button. Boom. And what's trend trade? What's twin trading? TT. You hit it again. Bow. And then you hit it again. Bow. Right? Make sure your lot sizes are cool, man. Make sure your lot sizes are cool. And why you want to hit it twice? You know, so you can just cut some more pips. But then you probably like, but Raz, why don't I just increase the lot size? You can increase the lot size, but what you want to do with twin trading, you bang out 2 trades, right? Now, doing this, you got to be careful, okay? So you're going to take 3 pips. You're looking for 3 to 5 pips. One trade, you're going to get 3 pips, and the other one, you're going to snatch 5 pips. All right? That's the power of trend trading. Why don't I just go for the 5 pips? I mean, dude, you might not hit the 5 pips. You might get stuck around 3, man. Start to reverse. So you got to see what you want to do. If you want to keep it at 3, or you want to take it at 3, or you want to see if it'll hit the 5. Because it might hit the 5, boom, boom, and you just got 2 extra pips, right? So instead of you just getting 3 or 5 pips, man, you got 8 pips. You understand what I'm talking about? Boy, we just doubled your income using the same lot sizes. Now, you're going to be doing this all morning, and you're going to be catching them. Bang, 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 bang. Now, where do you get these signals from? Where do you get the signals? Dude, you get the signals. Look, I got a link below. All right, of course I got a link below, man. Why wouldn't I have a link below? It's YouTube, baby. This is what we do. We give you a little bit of game. We give you results in advance, right? And then I got a tool for you. My tool I use is iMarkets Live, right? Straight up. iMarkets Live is the #1 Forex training, education, and tool suite anywhere. You can't compare it. And anybody that hates on iMarkets Live know that they can't compete with iMarkets Live. And I bet you anybody that's talking trash about iMarkets Live, they got something else to sell on the side too. They selling you their program, their tool, their signals, their Telegram or Facebook, right? Anybody out there that's hating on it is selling their own, and they mad because for whatever reason they're upset at iMarkets Live, right? Whatever. Hating is real, right? And listen, iMarkets Live is the real deal. And what you want to do for the London Forex session, iMarkets Live, you want to trade. You want to use the IML web analyzer, all right? When you're using the IML web analyzer, it's going to give you potential entries, right? I mean, it's going to be a buy or a sell, right? Whatever one you want to work with. They're going to they're going to send you hundreds of them, not just 3 or 4. They're going to send you hundreds of them all morning. You're going to be busy all morning. They're going to be banging, 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 banging. You're going to hear ching, 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 ching. Now, I'm going to do a live video, right? I don't know when I'm going to do it. I'll probably do it tomorrow. But I'll do a live video, and I got to set it up. And I'm going to show you how we just be snatching pips. You know what I mean? We're going to be called the pip snatchers, right? Pip snatchers. You understand? And we just going to be snatching pips, snatching pips, snatching pips, snatching pips, right? and you can trade along with me. You can use a demo account or you can use a real money account. Up to you. Don't matter. You can practice with a demo. Listen, it's imperative that you practice with a demo. Only dummies don't use demos, right? If you're not using a demo, use a dummy. You understand? Even I use a demo when I'm trying out a new strategy. I want to see if it works. If I'm trying something new, if I'm trying out a new indicator, I'm not risking my money doing that. I'm gonna use a demo for about a week to see what I can do with that strategy, right? Demos are free. You can make as many demos as you want, and guess what? The market is going to be traded every day. So if you miss an opportunity today, so what? Don't get all FOMO'd out. Don't let the FOMO make you broke. You understand? Stay focused. Non-emotional detachment. Get out of that emotional. If I win, I'm going to be happy. If I lose, I'm going to be happy. Or I'm going to be sad. Whatever. You should have nobody should be able to tell. You should be able to be out to dinner, right? You got trades open. You out to dinner. You check your phone. You know you're going to do it anyway, right? You check your phone. You with your girl, your kids, whatever. You check your phone, right? You on your phone. You like, let me see something. Let me check my trades real quick. Right? You open up your MetaTrader 4. And then you're like, all right. And then you look at it. And you're like, all right, cool. All right. You check a couple accounts. And then, you know what I mean, you done. You be like, all right, look. You see, like right now, you can't tell if I'm winning or losing. You can't tell. You can't tell. And I got money on the line, right? And you can't tell if I'm winning or losing. And that's what the beautiful thing about trade. The trades are there for you. These trades are working. That's the beautiful thing, man. Your money is out there multiplying and getting more money for you while you're out there, if you know what you're doing. So if you're ready for some training, now look, you can go get free training anywhere. Of course, you can go to Baby Pips, you can go to FX Street, you can go to YouTube and you don't gotta buy Our Markets Live. It's not mandatory. But if you want to speed up your success, if you want to get ahead of the pack, dude, we got too many success stories. If you want the best tools, I mean, I'm just talking about the IML web analyzer. I'm not talking about the harmonics, the levels. I'm not talking about the bounce back. I mean, there's so many tools that we got, so much education, so many tools. I ain't talking about none of that. I'm just talking about one thing: busting out trades in the London session with the iMarkets Live harmonic scanner. The web analyzer. Dude, it's simple, man. It's so easy. It's ridiculous. I got my 13-year-old son studying Forex right now. He about to get it in. He about to open up his demo. He about to show the world what he can do. Busting trades, making money, snatching pips. You understand that? So look, I don't know what you're going to do and how you feel like doing it. But when you trade that London session, this is what I want you to get out of it. Look, I don't give a fuck about you getting an IML, right? I mean, you don't got to. Just keep watching the videos, keep looking at all the success stories that everybody else is having. But what I need you to do is, when you start trading that London session of Forex, right? When you start trading that London Forex session, I need you to stay focused and have no emotional attachment to the outcome of the trades. All right? Look, my name is Raj, and I definitely see you at the top because you're only one trade away. Let's get there. Stay focused.